Well, harbour. Harbour area. Look over here. Have a look over here, walk up to them. I love them all. Up here. There's the marina where everyone gets the boat out to the island. Well, they called it Peacock Island in Benidorm. I assume that's where it's going. I'm not sure of the proper name. I will find out though. If anyone knows, leave a message in the comments. Yeah, that's the boats. I see it from the hotel going out most days. A couple of times a day, I think. Not sure how many times, but maybe 2 or 3. Seems a bit near, but quite far, I think. Watch those big concrete things. I could have fucking caught the front of my shoes. Anyway, I'll have to lose this camera in a minute because the battery is about to exit and say goodbye because there's no power left in it. So I forgot to charge it up last night. Anyway, the trip out on the boat. That's here, it's the harbour. I see them chilling up under the white canopies. Yeah, I'm not sure how much it is, but if you look online, I'm sure they'll tell you that. If you like the video today, please like, subscribe, support the channel and give us a thumbs up, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Have a great day.